Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change Microsoft Teams to dark mode. If you are someone who spends a lot of time on Teams, switching to dark mode can help reduce eye strain and make your experience more comfortable. So, let's get started. First of all, open Microsoft Teams and click on the three dots behind your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu, click on Settings, then go to the Appearance section. Under the Theme option, you will see a few choices. Follow operating system theme, light, dark, and high contrast. To switch to the dark mode, simply select the dark option. Once selected, your Teams interface will instantly change to dark mode, making it easier on the eyes. And that's it. Now you can enjoy a more comfortable experience with Microsoft Teams in dark mode. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you on the next one.